Swipe to the left, swipe to the right, swipe down the middle, and oh, yeah, that's nice. Hi, I'm Eric, and welcome back if you've been following along with these videos. These Chromebooks have some really nice multi-touch gestures. Before we get started, let me take you on a trip to Settings Land. Open Settings and find Touchpad on the list. Depending on your preferences, you may want to enable tap to click, tap dragging, or adjust the pointer speed. I personally prefer Australian scrolling, which reverses the direction of scrolling when using two fingers, and also reverses the direction of some of the gestures I'm about to show you. For simplicity's sake, I'm going to show you all of the gestures using the default of traditional. Also note that I have tap to click and tap dragging turned on as well. You're probably well versed in moving the pointer around and clicking. Just make sure to use the lower part of the touchpad when clicking, as the upper part of it does not work for that. To right-click, press or tap the touchpad with two fingers. You can also hold the Alt key and just use one finger if you like. To scroll, use two fingers and move them up or down to scroll vertically, and left or right to scroll horizontally. When using Chrome, you can go back and forth in your browsing history by swiping to the side with two fingers. To view all open windows, swipe down with three fingers. You can swipe three fingers left or right to highlight the window you want, then swipe up with three fingers to focus on that window. To close a tab, move your cursor over the tab and tap or press the touchpad with three fingers. If you want to open a link in a new tab, you can point to that link and then tap or press the touchpad with three fingers. When you have multiple tabs open, you can quickly switch between them by swiping left and right with three fingers. To drag and drop, click and hold the item you want to move, then drag to the spot and release your finger. If you have tap to drag enabled, you can double tap the touchpad, drag your finger, and release. Finally, if you want to access these tips again, you can find them in the Help app. And that's it for this video. Stick around for some general use tips as well as some troubleshooting tips. See ya in the next video.